Hey, everybody, I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to Monday Night, My Funded Futures. Can everybody hear me? Somehow, Stanley Eugene, how are you? How are you, everybody? Hello, Gabriel, Isaac, hello, everybody. How is everybody? Okay, um, okay, um, can anybody hear me? I'm just trying to get this, I don't know if the audio is working. Can anybody hear me? Yeah, I guess some people have, I have Keith here, Arthur here from Arthur Keith, Jesus, Arthur from Arkansas, and Joe from Sacramento. All right. Hey, first of all, I just was reading in the Discord before I came on. I just want to let you know I saw a bunch of people saying they're having some difficulties. Okay, and the number one and foremost, if anybody has any problems, okay, you can always text me and ask me to give you a call. I'm more than happy to help all of you. 914-500-7484. Okay? Okay, so anyway.
You can tell Mikey Jacques been here.
Mikey Jacques, what happened?
He
Oh, yeah, the meatballs were great. Oh, yeah, they had Meatball Monday. Look at this gold drop just now. All right, Meatball Monday. Meatball Monday.
So good.
Okay. Meatball Monday. Mikey Jacques. Mikey Jacques, see if you come here one day, you'll be able to have Meatball Monday. If you come on a Sunday, you get a Meatball Mondays on Monday. All right. You know, again, I saw a lot of people here earlier saying how much they're struggling on certain things. Okay, even Popper Delt. If you're having trouble, just always reach out to me, Vlad. Okay, Steven, what's going on? All right, and you know, I just want everybody to know I'm here for you. Again, I give out my cell phone number for a reason. Davey D, how are you? Mr. Smith. More highs, Lauren. More highs. Uh-huh. Can't even say the word. I don't know. I hope to say the word shortum soon here. So I think I took a total of 87 trades, including the ones today in the last week. 87 or 90 trades, something like that. Everyone was a winner, not one loss. And every single one of them, okay, and they're off at Belmont. And every single one of them was on the short side. How's that? Okay? How's that? All right, everybody. Gabriel Trades, what's going on? Gabriel, Linda NQ, Rick Francis, Michael, Tony Gold, Mr. Smith, how are you? Look at this weekly. Where's it? 98 overbought reading. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. Look at this. 629 on the spiders. Jesus, Lord. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What's up, Kim Capital? Let's see what we had a nice day in oil today. Oil, let me show you this really great pattern on oil. Oil reversed to buy here on the 30-minute time frame. When the MACDs are above the pivot, you take the short. Okay, you wait for the pullback. Beautiful pullback on the 15. Here's one and here's two. Oil up, and away. All right, let's see this oil. Really just been quiet here. Straits of Hormuz still closed and market's going up. Okay, who cares? Market don't care about the war. Okay, market don't care. We got Robinhood tomorrow. We have on Wednesday, we have Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, the Federal Reserve minutes. Okay, on Thursday, we have Apple, SanDisk, WDC, and Caterpillar. Should be a lot of fun. Should be a lot of fun. So, okay, this gold's pushing up. I'd like to take a look to short this gold here. If it gets up to the 11.5 to 18.5 range. So they're talking about a rebalancing. Here, look at these S&Ps right back up. They're talking about a rebalancing here on the end of the month. And it's supposed to be $25 billion. It's really not that lot. I mean, if it was 75, 100 billion, 200 billion, 25 billion, I don't think is a lot, to be honest with you. Okay, Nvidia really pushed the market up big today. Nvidia all-time highs here, 218.75. So that's what got the market all bowled up here right now. 30s flip positive on silver. Yes, I would look to buy the first pullback on the 5 and the second pullback on the 15-minute time frame. All right. So, again, hey Cranston, Mr. 21, how are you? Saja, Kelly, how are you? Good job, Kelly. I think, Kelly, you have my charts. How do you know flip positive? Are you? I hope you. That's great. All right. Labaretto, Rashi trades. Sergey, how are you, Sergey? All right. All right. If you short the gold, look to cover below the 0990 if you're short. All right. Really kind of quiet here overall. Hey, Jennifer, how are you, Jennifer? And there goes the oil right back up on the oil. There goes the gold right back up. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. This is like a 747 floating in midair with no fuel, and I think it's just going to get kabooshed. Don't know when, but it's going to happen. Get in there, Jennifer. Exactly, Gary. All right. How was my day? Good. I traded Micron all day. I traded Micron all day. Sold every rally. Boom. Let them have them. You could short this gold again, 13 up to 21 here. You could trade metals, but you can't trade a lot of them though. That's the problem with the metals. Hope everybody, again, and I say this, before I got on, around 7:50, I saw the chat. And I want to be clear, if you guys are struggling in any way, shape, or form, any of you, please just reach out to me, text me. I'll help you for free. Free, okay? I'm not here I want to see you guys do well, all right? If you have any questions, you're struggling with something, okay? Right? Hitman, get in there, okay? I got to go visit Hitman in Thailand. I may never come back. Miriam, I'm serious. Melvin, Son of Wall Street. Yeah, I'll give you a call. Absolutely. What the hell, man? Right? You cut me, I bleed just like you, right? What the hell? I'm here to help you. I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys do great. Okay? Nothing like getting a payout. All right, Rick Francis, I'm serious. Number 914-500-7484. You blew your account today? Well, because you should be coming to my live stream and listening to me. Come to Egypt? I'd like to go to Egypt. I just don't know when. Not this year for sure. I'm so busy I can't even keep my head up. You got to pay out, Mike Trader? Good job, Michael. I may never come back, Travis. Can you imagine me taking all this and trading from Thailand? Oh my God. I got to come back and see my kids, but. And again, a lot of people have blew up my phone over the week and said, there goes the S&P's right back up. I was about to say and buy them at 18 here. We've got to watch the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, look at this. This ran 15. What am I cooking tonight? Nothing. Mr. 21? No, I'm not cooking anything here. Marshalize. Mr. Freeze. These criminals, look at this. Oil. Where is oil going? Should have bought the S&Ps on that. NASDAQ on that pullback here. You get the NASDAQ pushing up on the 15s here. This is one strong-ass bull market. 80 on the NASDAQ. Boom. Here we go. There goes the NASDAQ. There you go. There you go. There you go. I short this NASDAQ here, 27,510 up to 35. Scalp it. S&P's 22 up to 27. I just scalp it short. I had a great weekend, 2-cent trading. Yep. Look at this, 30 on the NASDAQ. 15s, I knew that was a buy there. Damn it. S&P's just ran 4. How about Nvidia rally today? Yeah, you can see this was the Nvidia rally. This is where Nvidia started right here, NVDA. Okay, look at the 60-minute time frame, everybody. Look at the 60-minute right here. When you see you got the push up, then you got the push down right here. Oversold, positive MACD, oversold, rising ADX, oversold, big buying pressure, Nvidia, new highs. Look at that, up 11 after today, up 11, right? You see that? This is a strategy. Oversold into a positive MACD right here, boom. Oversold into a rising ADX, oversold into big buying pressure. Look at the yellow dots into the blue. You had 4 things working on this pattern, boom, right there. There you go. That's a Picasso. Absolute Picasso right there. All right. What a move. What a move. Look at this. Nvidia today. But here's the thing, though. Nvidia did 187 million shares, right? Look at the spiders. 33 million. Something's wrong. Right? Something's wrong. Right? Okay? All gas, no brakes. I like that. Okay? All gas. Right? Mr. Freeze, you see that? 33 million on the spiders. 187 million shares on Nvidia. Come on, man. All right. That's a nice little long there. So on this last pullback on the S&Ps here, you can see the ADXs are rising here. On the 15, okay, on the 30. So this pullback right here on the 5 was pretty damn good. 16.5. It's right at 8 o'clock. Boom. Right there. Now I gotta wait for the 30s to pull back. So yeah. Just pushed down to 21.5. Should have covered. Oil making new lows here. Oil. Again, if anybody has any questions or anything that you want to talk about, just text me. And at the end of the night, I'll definitely.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see if I get 21. My average is pretty good. Never got filled up here.
Let's see if we get it. All right, this gold. Look to cover any gold here between the 1120 and the 1420. S&P's anywhere between the 20.5 and 22 range. NASDAQ anywhere between the even and 06. Should have bought that pullback. Gold below 1420 if you're short. Bear Trader. What's up, brother? Brother Bear Trader. How many of you follow me on Instagram? You guys should be following me at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Also on X, you should guys follow my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube. There goes the gold dropping, S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. Hendrick, stop ripping the whole office apart. Oh my God, Bear Trader, what's going? Henny's going crazy, Bear Trader. Did you hear Henny today? Can't be with a job, SK. What? GC Victim, how are you? Everything's. Look at the gold drop. Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ. So you're pushing up to new highs here, right? Okay, you're pushing up to new highs here. All right, you see right here, and the MACDs are not confirming the high. You see that right there? Mm-hmm. But this pullback should have been bought because the ADX was rising on the 15. Okay, so I was a little bit late to the dance on that one. All right. Thank you, James Dean. Thank you, thank you. All right, I'm still working out this Vegas trip. How many people would attend the Vegas trip? Oh my God, look at the gold drop. Do you think we will crash? Yeah, soon. Wow, S&P's kabooshed. You short?
Yeah, I'm flat now though.
Okay.
I'm covered already.
All right, good. Listen, you know, some night sessions are crazier than others, right? Mm-hmm. It's hard to trade gold. Jennifer. Well, look at these S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? I haven't played the bear in a while. I need the bear to come out of hibernation here. Right? We need the bear one more time here. Tina, good job. Kabooshed. My poor bear. He's been in hibernation. Can you imagine 80, almost, I think 87 or 90 trades I've taken? Every one has been from the short side. Everyone was a winner. That's insane. Real capital. I know. I need the bear going, day trader. I need the bear. Very, very quiet here tonight. Nice little scalp there. Could have taken the long here. I saw the long yellow dots. Boom. All right. NASDAQ just dropped about 19 off that. Mikey Jacques. Listen, you captured 10 to 15 on a night. We need a drop in here. And I got the, this is crazy. You ain't kidding. You ain't kidding. And again, I say this, you know, for, again, if a lot of people just joined, if a lot of people are struggling anyway, okay, if you guys, anybody has anything you need to talk about, if I can help you in any way, Cameron Cook, Son of Wall Street, Bear Trader, anybody, Gary B, Scale Trader, Apple. I'm not singing no Boy George. What are you, crazy? I'm a Skinner guy. Boy George. Can you imagine? And if anybody needs any help with anything, please text me, 914-500-7484. I'll do the best I can. Trump displeased with Iranian offer. What happened, Henny? Henny. Hendricks. All right. So we're trying to work on this this Vegas trip. To come to Vegas Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Oh, you should have seen Henny today. Henny, there was somebody outside my door. He went completely. He went postal. There's buys here. You just got to know when to take advantage of the buys, and you got to use tight stops. Silver making new highs here. Silver very bullish here. MACDs are crossing up from below the pivot. I would be looking for pullbacks here in silver. Bear flag oil? Not really. Not really a bear flag in oil. Gold just got cabooshed. NASDAQ got cabooshed. S&Ps just got cabooshed. NASDAQ's down 25. S&P's down 5. What a boondoggle that's going to be in Vegas. All right. Albio, how are you, Albio? Cool. Oh boy. Is it back up?
Yes, my charts are moving again.
I think my internet went down here.
Hello?
My internet went down?
Yeah.
The stream's down?
I don't know. I'm checking again right now.
Okay.
No, I'm back in.
Okay.
You're up.
All right. Iceman! What's up, Iceman? Let's look at silver here. This silver looks is going to be a great long here. Iceman is in the house. All right. So silver, beautiful pattern here. The 30 just reversed to buy. You want to get a, if this silver gets down, probably down to the, I would go maybe like the 75.90 to 76.50 range to get long silver here. All right. All right, I'm back up. Okay. Nice little, I like to take these, a lot of times you want to take the scalp short, but not when the MACDs are crossing up from below the pivot. because they could just keep going up. See the MACDs here crossing positive from below the pivot. You really don't want to. I mean, even though it dropped 15 cents, this thing could have went parabolic. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to buy the pullback here. Okay. Hey, Fantastico. I think you're allergic to Florida.
I hope not.
I think you are. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Allergic to Henny?
No, Henny's a sweetheart.
It's not that he's a sweetheart. You might be allergic to him. 75.90, Tina. I don't know if it gets that low. Moises Amancion Santana. That's a mouthful. What a name. Vegas event's going to be. Iceman, are you looking for a place in Juno Beach? Iceman? All right, gold's about to reverse to buy on the 30-minute. Let's see if these S&Ps, I can't even say the word buy up here. Oh my God almighty. Well, what's the real move, Catnip? I mean, we just got here. They ran 5 and dropped 5 on the S&P. Nasdaq ran 25 and dropped 25, right? I don't know if this silver is going to get to even, but beautiful bull flag. First pullback on the 5. You could look to raise this pull. T and I would look to probably even to 56. Even to 56. I would look to buy it. There goes the gold right back up on another bull flag. Just ran 2. I don't know. Gold not bullish yet until the 30s get reversed to buy. Okay, until the 30s reverse to buy. The 30s are looking like they want to reverse to buy. MACD positive, but you got to wait. Wait for the 30-minute time frame here. If the 30-minute time frame on gold futures reverse to buy, you go into a buy disconnect. My internet's down, I think. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Uh-oh, the whole world just stopped. See, it's starting to touch here. So if this 30-minute time frame flips positive, then I'd be looking to buy the gold on the pullback. Okay, great. See, that's why I can't say the word buy on the S&Ps. See that? Rocky Mountain Trades, good job. Mr. Freeze, tell me you got the short, Mr. Freeze. The non-confirmation up there on the NASDAQ. 27,510. Mr. Freeze. Where's the bear? I got to get the bear. The bear is out in form. Now the silver touches 50. Okay. Look at this gold. Look at these S&Ps. Look at this NASDAQ. Mr. Malik, what's her name? Keyshawn. Look at this gold. Look at these S&Ps. Look at this NASDAQ. Mr. Freeze. There goes the oil. Oil just got kaboomed. Got to get this silver to set up. If this oil gets above the 97.05 to 97, I would say 85, I would look to scalp short the oil. Kabooshed. There you go. That was what I'm talking about. That was a beautiful short. Gotta wait for this silver. Silver just got kabooshed here. Still good pattern here though, but gotta wait. So you gotta push up here. They killed the silver. Look at this, 23 contracts traded. Nothing. Nothing. Papa Trump just got a report that the S&Ps went from 23 down to 14. He went crazy. Papa Trump does not like a red day. Does not like a red day. NASDAQ, look at the NASDAQ. So on that strategy right there, you can see you're making new highs here, 12, right? And they dropped all the way down 62 points. You're making new highs here, right here. And the MACDs cannot confirm the highs. Okay? MACDs cannot confirm the high. Then you got the 60-minute time frame. Again, here, the 60. You're making new highs. And the MACDs are non-confirming here. You had this is the mother one right here, the mother pattern, and this is the second pattern. Okay, you guys understand that? We can start scaling out of any silver 52 to 56 here if you're long. Okay. All right. You can start scaling out. Anybody understand this pattern, Mr. Freeze? Anybody? If you short this, the oil hit 905. I don't know.
It did. It ticked up. It hit it.
04. Missed it. You got filled at 05? I just cover below 95 if you're short. Tina, I'd be kicking out longs here on silver between 52 and 55, 56. What a cabooshin. Unbelievable. On the NASDAQ. I don't have an account, so we get clean more moves pattern. What? Ethan, where's your account? Ethan, don't you have an account? Zeph side, how are you? Come on, you can get it. You can get one. Oh, please rally so I can short the world tomorrow. Please. Ichimo, you did really well today. Good job, Ichimo. Good job. This market's not ready to go down yet. You don't have a NASDAQ futures talk? You don't have a My Funded Futures? Short the world, not yet. I mean, they have I just saw an advertisement for one of their accounts. It's like $104 or something like that. NASDAQ just ran about 10. If you're short the oil, just got down to 08. Look to cover oil between the 02 and 08 if you're short. Oh, what a short in oil. There you go. It's 98 now. You should have covered.
Oh yeah, I've covered. I'm good.
What are you, crazy?
Yeah, I got filled and then ticked up.
What are you, nuts? What are you, bananas? Oh my God. Oh. I'd be scaling out of longs in this silver, Tina, if you're up there. I can't play it. You want to see me go to jail? I can't play it, Iceman. You know that. Ethan, text me 914-500-7484, please. Bubbles everywhere.com. Repeat coming. I agree. I agree. Here. I agree. AI, all bull. I just can't see, just my personal opinion, I just can't see how this I just think it's, I don't know, call me nuts. I'm a non believer. I mean, are there things it can do that's great? Yeah, it can write essays, it can help you do research and things like that, but I don't know. I can't figure it out. I think it's overhyped and it's nonsense. That's what I think. I think the market's going to get absolutely kabooshed. Look at this weekly pattern. Even if you got a pullback, if they pull back 300 points right to the 10 bar, I think they'd have a heart attack. You know that? They would just get a heart attack right there. You know that? No, stop teaching. This is going to end bad. Southern Aussie, we use it at work. It's unbelievable what it can do. Yeah, maybe help with reports and things like that. AI cutting jobs to beat earnings. It's exactly. Watch Meta, Microsoft, and all these companies get better earnings because they cut about 19,000 jobs. Data centers are getting canceled. Exactly. I don't buy it. I know. I know. I know. Oof, my arms. They wanted to kill us with COVID. Now they want to kill us with AI. What happened, Henny? But Henny's gonna eat them all. Get over here, right, Henny? I love you. What a mess you made. What a mess, my Henny. What happened, my boy? My Henny's gonna eat them all. Oh, if you pull back 1%, really, Tina? Wow. What's up, Drifter 6435? James Michael, how are you? Tina, I hope you kicked out that silver long. Exactly, blue collar workers like machinists. So you're gonna have a robot one day come into your home and do electrical repair or do plumbing? Get the hell out of here! It ain't happening. I know, Papa Delt. I know. He should call them nice. Imagine Papa Trump renaming ICE nice. Oh my God. $100 away, I won't be here. It's very quiet tonight. Index futures, the best short. Lil Joe. Lil Joe. That from Big Joe, Little Joe from Kelly's Heroes? Lil Joe, Big Joe. Anybody watch the movie Kelly's Heroes? That's unbelievable. They found all the missing drones. Those are the ones that were hovering over people's houses, Stephen. Who are flying them? The military? Or who are they flying from? Boy, it's slow here tonight. How many times did we win the war? 19? 19 times we won the war? Well, NASDAQ should get one more push up into the negative MACDs here. Oil just got kabooshed. Oil just dropped 20. Hey, Bobby Trades, how are you? So I come on tonight and I see a whole bunch of people saying how much they're struggling and how much this and you know, and I'm just saying that if you have that much trouble, okay, please just send a text to me and I'll see what I can do to help you. S&P's right back up. 14, 13 and a half, 14. NASDAQ hit 60, just ran 20. Put the NASDAQ up for Christ's sake. This weekly is going to get killed. I can't even say the word buy. $50, just ran 28. A little drop, they have a heart attack. I think that could be right. I wouldn't short the NASDAQ here. Not yet. Chevron. I shorted Chevron at 217. I think it was 217 was the high. 214 right here. I was 214. This is the high right here. I was 214.75. Look at the high, 214.71. Go get him, Henny. Get in there, Henny. Drink. Get in there, Henny. My Henny's drinking like the Atlantic Ocean. You hear my Henny? What a good boy. I can't even say the word buy. I can't. He just drank half the Atlantic Ocean. I told the big hedge fund manager, he said, Steve, what do you think? I said, I can't say the word buy. He starts laughing. What are we up? 5%, 4% on the S&Ps? What are we up about? 20% on the Qs? Off the lows? Just think that when you get a move like that, even if you got a 50% retracement, 900, what do you get? 6350 to 7250, just 900 points, just say. You're looking at a pullback 6,800. No, actually, yeah, 6,800, which is, what's wrong with that? Well, first of all, James Michael, if you're trading gold and silver, you really should be looking at the SLVs during the U.S. session. Beautiful bear flag here on the 60, right? Okay. I mean, this thing got all the way down to, where did it get down to? 60? Yeah. But you could see the 30-minute reverse to sell. That's beautiful shorts. Okay, 15-minute time frame. Once a 15-minute MACD's reverse. Take the short off the overbought here and here, and then silver dropped about 30 cents. Anybody from the great state of Florida here? You're short NASDAQ? I'd be very careful. I'd be very careful here on being short NASDAQ. Do you remember about 2 weeks ago, somebody said, I'm short the NASDAQ, 24,800. I went, oh my God. And it was already up about 150 against the person. I don't know if the person's still with us or I don't know. When do you think we should go short NQ? A little higher into the negative MACDs. I want to see the fives get overbought. I wouldn't short it here. I'd be patient. He jumped. You think so? He jumped is an understatement. Apple, how are you, Apple? Danny Dan, he jumped. Absolutely. He's on the ledge. That's another good one. He's on the ledge. All right. Nick, where you pop from? Hey, Zill. Okay, Zill. Good night, brother. You think gold has a bull flag? I think gold is setting up on the 15-minute time frame. Five-minute time frames on silver. Let me see what the 15 looks like. I heard someone say last night that oil can go to 150. I said, whatever this guy's on, please send me a case. Really. Can you believe this guy said, I think oil is going to 150? Wow, what a bull flag on the... Tina, look at this bull flag on into the positive MACD, rising ADX on silver. Oh my God. If this silver gets down to 76, 76.50, I'd buy it. Look at this silver. Oh my God, look at the yellow dots. First pullback on the 15 after the 30 reversed to buy. Good Lord, Stephen. Look at this. Miss Watt, you're late to the game. Please. I'm going to see if this NASDAQ can get up to 85. I think the days of bombing are over. He's not going to bomb anymore. I'm batting 688 on my predictors. You see that? Did you see that serviceman? They want to give him 30 years. Stephen, am I right about that? He wants to give him 30 years for that poly markets bet on Mandaro. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? What the hell are you going to do to Nancy Pelosi? Just send her the Gitmo? Jesus. These laws have got to change. This is insane. I didn't do a giveaway yet. Oh, okay. Nice little 200 point rally in Bitcoin here. What was the silver call again? I said look to 76 to 76.50. Yeah, I heard today that somebody made, the guy who placed the bet, he made $400,000. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy or just plain stupid?
I know, they're untouchable. You're right. Oh, come on. Somebody do something here. This is very slow. We're going to do the raffles tonight. Let me ask Denny, how are we doing them tonight? Let me see how we doing them tonight. All right, I'm going to pick out 10 raffles. Denny said that he liked that. Okay, so I hope you guys sign up. Everybody know who the Fibonacci Queen is? I'm going to try to get her there in Vegas as well. She's a really good friend of mine. And if anybody wants a 5-day free trial, just text me to my cell phone, 914, your full name and email. Carolyn's a very, very endearing friend of mine. It should be fun. I just got to get a date. Pop it out. NASDAQ, I think that might be enough. If NASDAQ gets up to 80 again, I might short it. NASDAQ bid stacking. Yeah, where did LMT go today? 514. NASDAQ just dropped 11. RTX, what's this? How about did you see the report that what's his name, Fetterman, bought a ton of Micron before they got that $6.1 billion contract? Right? Unbelievable. NASDAQ just dropped 10 on that low triple Kabuski. I thought it was going to get up to 85. Right here. See the negative MACD here? Leave the NASDAQ up. Might as well. Most people trade the NASDAQ. See this bear flag right here? We got to 82, 81. No, they said it. He said, why not? They all do it. Exactly. He said it. Wait till this silver turns up on the 15. Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah. Johnny Fonts, I got a surprise for you. Call me at 10 o'clock. Johnny Fonts, I got a surprise for you. All I know is if I was in charge of the Federal Reserve, within 2 years, the national debt will be in a surplus of about 11 trillion. I'd make 50 trillion. You put me in charge of the Federal Reserve. the swings you would get in the market, forget about it. No, this is a personal surprise. He's a good friend of mine. No, just between him and I. Thoughts on the FOMC? I don't think they cut rates. I don't think they cut rates at all. No way. Not happening. I just don't see it. Bitcoin rally? I don't know. I think the lows in Bitcoin, I think any pullback on the daily, I'm still bullish. I want to see the market just pull back. Right? I agree with you, Helpful G. 100%. Oh my God. If they raise the half of that might be the black swan. Can you imagine me? Would you cut rates as you were Powell? Well, I would say I probably would cut rates, and I'll tell you why. Not for political reasons, only because I think the housing market interest rates are way too high. Still 6% on the 30-year. Remember, I came from an era a couple years back, as we all did, okay, that interest rates, some people were getting a 2.97 30-year or 3.15 30-year. So on every $100,000 that you borrow on a 30-year mortgage was $300. Come on.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Right? Striker, the link is up top. It's right there. The housing market needs, and the other thing is the markets, the housing market. You know, there's 1,100 people a day that come to this great state of Florida. 1,100 people. Okay, where they come from, I have no idea. I know, Tommy Tom. The rates were. I remember a guy I was working for was buying an Alfa Romeo. He said, "Yeah, I got a really great interest rate." I said, "What?" He goes, 18.7. Oh my God. You know, that might be the straw. That might be the best thing for Papa Powell to get back at Papa Trump. At 9 p.m., the link is good, Till, I believe. Oh my God, if they came from New York, I'll kill myself. No, they can't come from New York. This gold, if this gold gets down to the even and a half to 07.5, I think no, I think that this 15-minute time frame is going to turn up on gold. Benny, what time is the link? Till 9, or if it's only a certain period of time here? All right. I can't wait for this Vegas event. I'm going to talk to Johnny Hamilton tonight about this event. There is a gold bull flag here on the 15. But remember, you're in a sell disconnect. Austin's a mess. You ain't kidding. Jason, you there? Jason, Sergey, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. No, Dallas like that? Oh my God. I gotta call my buddy Trader Vic and ask him. All right, see if this gold. What a short up there on the gold. Sergey, good job, Sergey. If you have any questions, Jason, are you on, Jason? Little 1,100 people a day move to the great state of Florida. I don't know where they're coming from, but that's the number I heard.
I'll be one of them if I get my allergies
Your allergies are killing me.
under control.
You're sniffling like you're one of the reindeer, like you've been flying all night long or something.
Into the pollen.
The Californians aren't crazy? Really? Go to CVS.
I will.
Doing okay tonight. 300 away from passing a builder. Oh, there you go. How many people trade during the day? How many people live from here, from the great state of Florida? Oh, wow. This silver's got, this silver getting caboose here. But the 30-minute silver is setting up here. I think silver turns up. Yes, off the 30. Yes. Look at the silver here off the 30-minute. You got a monster bull flag. I don't know where the hell this happened here, but look at the 30-minute. The 15s are getting oversold. Look at the 30. Oversold. Oh, my God. The silver should get another push up here. There goes gold. There goes oil. S&P's cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Still like to see the silver. You got to go wide on the silver. Wait, this pencil come down. There goes the gold too. Jesus. All right, let's see if this gold and silver get one more push up. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Oil bull flag just turned up 20. Come on, silver. What are you doing? This is a beautiful bull flag. Do I see a NASDAQ sell off? Absolutely. Gold just got caboose, not kaboom. Oh my God. Let's see if this gold can get one more push up here. If this gold gets up to the 0480, 05 up to 07, and I would look, oh, look at the oil go. There goes the oil. Markets are finished. That's it. There goes the oil. Got to get this silver to get going here. Got to get this gold to push up. All right. I'm so bearish on the gold too, and somebody said the bull flag. All right. See if this gold can get another push up. Here we go. I scale out as gold 03 to 07. I'd be out. Oil, I'd be short here. 97.30 up to even. Silver, let's go. Come on, give me another push up here. These 15-minute time frames on gold should give you one more push up. Either way, I want to be short gold. 97.5. Tim the Chin, get in there. I'm so bearish on the NASDAQ. So bearish on the whole market. Bank of Japan rate, they're probably going to raise rates. Gotta get this silver to rally too. $30K? Nah, I don't think it gets, I think you get a pullback on the Nasdaq before you get 30K. Come on, gold. 04 on the gold, 04.5. Nasdaq. Silver is going to turn up here on the silver. I'd be scaling out of longs anywhere from like the 38 to 50 range. There goes the gold right back up. I'd be scaling out of longs here. 04, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. If you scaled in. Thank you, Tim the Chin. All right. Let's see here. I'm so freaking bearish. Right back down. You long gold?
I'm out.
Yeah, I don't like it. Look at the oil drop. This should set up this silver is, I think the silver is gonna boom. Oil just dropped 15. Oil just dropped 15. Traded J22. I pulled up my chart. Yeah, do you have real-time data or you have delayed data? If you have real-time data, you should have it. If you have a problem, Trader J, just text me 914-500-7484. Oil just dropped 15. All right, we got about 53 minutes. Very, very quiet here. Oil crashing. Silver, I think silver is going to explode once these 30s turn up. I think these 30-minute, and then also the 30-minute oversold into the positive MACD on gold. Anybody from this great state of Florida here? Anybody? Anybody from Florida? Just contact me if you need help. Silver, I like between probably anywhere between 35 and 50, 38 and 50. I think silver is going to turn up big time. Oil just dropped 20 cents. Gold should get one more push up here. Again, I'd be scaling out of longs 03 to 07. If you could hit 04.5, 05, I think the silver is going to turn up. Gold 07 target, that'd be nice. Am I throwing a party? D Hall, you got to come visit me, D Hall. You're down in Miami, right? There goes the gold. Come on, silver. Come on, silver. Come on, silver. 30,000 Nasdaq. Tomas. I don't know about that yet. Oil is dead. Oil was a good short. Oh, you live in Miami, Michael? I think D Hall lives in Miami, lives in Florida, Miami as well. Come on, Kelly, get in there on the silver. 35 to 50, 38 to 50. Tim the Chin. Oh, you got it? Okay. You trade the big ones? All right. NASDAQ S&P can't get going. Are you next to Parkland? So I go to Parkland all the time. So I'm in Jupiter, Pensacola, Timothy. I said I was short oil at 97.30, yeah. I hope so, Goof Futures. Rod, I hope the market's finished. I'm telling you, I want to see so many people I know who are pompous. I don't wish bad on anybody, but I'm telling you, these people are so pompous. They think, oh, the market's always going up. This morning, I wanted a short AMD above 353.50. I think, 353.30. My guy wasn't in. By the time I called him, okay, it was 349. And then it opened at 346, rallied to 349, and got caboose all the way down to 330. What a day. What a day. Come on, give me 15, 20 cents on silver. Well, I think silver is going to do it once these 30s turn up, Kelly. What month is silver? It's June, isn't it? June? $135 to $309 on silver. On silver? God. Why not just say 130 to 500? July. I mean, come on, man. I mean, all right, so today they put out a buy recommendation and an upgrade on Micron to 700. So I called my friend and I said, time out. I said, I told a couple funds I would be buying Micron under 314, right? And Nvidia below 525. I think the low, not Nvidia, I'm sorry. Nvidia below 74, but SanDisk below 520. SanDisk low was 517 and Micron was 311.49. Okay? And now, where were they? I called my friend. I go, where were they at 311? Where are you guys? Right? Where are you at 311, 517 on SanDisk? Now you're saying to the moon, buy them here. I don't get it. I know this one person. I don't wish bad on anybody, but this person is so. I don't know. I came from nothing and I just became a very humble person, but this person is so pompous, and I'm just telling you, like, I don't wish bad on anybody, man, but good Lord, when the rug gets pulled out, can you imagine if we had a 2020, a 2000, and 2001? These people would not know how to handle it. They would not know how to handle it. I hope you guys kicked out the long at 05 on the gold. These people don't know how to handle it. And how about Jimmy Kimmel's comment, man? I just texted my friend. I'm not going to say who he is or anything like that. And I said, hey, Tris, good job. Where's the FCC? Make the guy pretty much, and then the first lady even got involved. What's the PE ratio on the text now? Isn't it 23? Right? Papa Trump told Disney, fire him. Just don't get to understand how they get away with it. So we get up there. President Trump and First Lady Melania Trump demand ABC fire Jimmy Kimmel. Good. Finally, she speaks out. And George Clooney defends Kimmel. Oh my God. These people. That's not even a joke. He's saying that was a joke, George Clooney. Can you believe it? Oh my God. A joke's a joke. That's not a joke. Oh, come on, silver. It's got to be bought here. It's in the range. When did gold get up to 05 here? That's why I said I'd be kicking out the gold. I'm bearish on. Got 0580. That's good enough for me here. I still think you're going to get a good push up here on the silver. Why is there a gap? It's got up to 34. Let's see if the silver 15 and the 30-minute time frames are oversold here. It's not a bad looking bull flag. Oversold, positive MACD. I think you're going to be okay. You can't do, I hope you're scaling in a bunch of times, Kelly. Two out of three people dislike Trump. You may be in a minority of your views. Oh boy. No, they're not correlated pair. You got to trade them differently. I don't know about 2 out of 3 people dislike the president. I don't know about that. And whatever I voted for policy. I voted for policy. That's it. I think so, Nick. All right. Oh, this stupid silver. Yeah, no, we're not going to talk about that. We're going to focus on, I need this silver to get a push up on the 30-minute. It should push up right back up here. All right, now let's see the 30-minute. Nice bull flag. If these S&Ps get down to the 07.5, 12.5, if the NASDAQ can get down to the maybe the 35 to 55 range, these 30 and 60-minute time frames look like they want to turn back up. How is the silver not rallying? Gold just rallied 3 off the low. No, I want to look for no, because the 30-minute time frame here on the NASDAQ looks like it wants to turn up. Right here, this 30-minute first pullback, positive. No, I'm looking to see if this thing can get to 50. Again, there goes the gold. Come on, silver. Will you rally? Gold just ran $4. You got to get the silver to rally. Why ain't the silver moving? There it goes. 18. Come on. It took forever. 9 cents it just ran. On 19. They killed the silver. Yeah, he really did. Come on, give me 20 cents on silver, 30 cents on. Get up to 40, 38, 48 range. When these 30-minute time frames turn up, they should do that. Look at this. Dot, dot, dot. What is one contract? Oh, my God. Let's see if this S&P. So the 30-minute and the 15-minute time frame on the Nasdaq and S&Ps are getting oversold here. Oh my God, this silver, Kelly. Come on. Even if the 15-minute time frame reverses to sell, silver should get a push up off these 30s. It just traded 34 on silver. I still think the silver is going back up above 35 to 40. Oof. Kelly, hope you're scaling into some longs right on the way down here. Average, bringing your price down. Your average price. Gold just rallied 4. Well, I don't know. May 6th, what? The last time you got a payout? Come on. Iguana trade, text me 914-500-7484. If there's anybody short the oil again above 30, this oil just dropped. S&Ps and Nasdaq. If you bought the Nasdaq at 55, I'd scale out between 62 and 68.70 range. Come on, silver. Jesus, you're not long silver, are you?
No, I got missed on the S&Ps. Just need by a tick.
You didn't get 12 and a halves?
Nope.
Okay.
It got down to 13. Or at least by the time I had my order.
2 out of 3 people don't like Kimmel. Probably.
I don't think it has anything to do with politics.
I don't want to talk. I'm not talking politics. I'm too tired. Man, who's dead here now? How's this Netflix been trading lately? Oh my God, this Netflix just got absolutely slaughtered today. Come on, Silver, do something. This is one of the slowest nights. Of course it's like this because of the FOMC. 100%. I said that right, 05. Oil just got kabooshed here again on the crude. If you sold above 30s here, hit 36, just dropped 20. Got to get the silver to at least get to 38 before the end of the night. Come on, these 30-minute time frames are going to be completed in 5 minutes. SanDisk, you mean for the earnings? I don't know. I guess it's, I don't know. If it's good news, you may want to sell the good news. I don't know. What a caboose? What's a caboose? A caboosh? It's Kaboosh, not a caboose. Caboosh. Caboosh is with a Kaboo. Right, there it is, Michael. Gold just dropped. Oil just dropped. Sell the news. I think he's right. Sell the news. I think you sell the news. You think gold 3,000 not happening? I don't think they're going to cut rates. Exactly. A caboose is the end of a train. You want me to check the weekly SanDisk? You got to be kidding me. I mean, does it really matter? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I mean, this is a monster bear flag. Where's this thing going? 1150, 1200? This is crazy. Look at Micron. Same thing. Look at Micron. Good job, Jennifer. Get in there. Great job, Jennifer. I'm very proud of you, Jennifer. Damn. I think the Nasdaq is up 4,400 points, and the most rigged game there is. The most rigged game. Nasdaq just ran from 55. All right, so here's looks like my funded futures has an account size 50K, entry fee 50, 1,400 drawdown. Is that right? Come on. Come on, this silver. Give me a break. This silver 30-minute time frame's got to turn up here. I mean, this is a joke. I still think the silver's... I'd be buying more down here. I think the silver's going to turn up off the 30-minute. Oil just dropped 30. NASDAQ just ran 15. They're not cutting rates. Come on. The silver, look at this. Look at this. A 6 oversold. This thing should get up at least 30, 35, 40 cents here on silver. Off this. Can you short NASDAQ now? Well, it just dropped. I'd be careful shorting. The 30-minute time frames want to turn up here on the S&Ps and especially on gold, on the NASDAQ. I'd be more of a buyer than a short seller. This is a beautiful pattern. I can't get this. This pattern's down 60 cents. From 50 down to 90. I still would be buying more here. Gold below 4,700. It's a monster bear flag. I would be buying the silver here. I think the silver is going to get a push up. If this oversold condition is correct, the silver should get at least back up to 30. There goes the S&P. That's why I would not short the NASDAQ. These 15s and 30s are going to turn up. The silver is killing me. I agree. Sell the news. Kelly, you okay on this oil, silver? I don't think silver's done. I think silver is going to get another push up. It traded right up to 34. I said 30, let's say 35 to 50, 38 to 50. Just missed getting out. I probably look to rebuy it here, Kelly, with this oversold condition here. I would probably go tight, like, 42 to 92 range. Problem is, there's no volume. Look at this. 300 points down on Bitcoin. I wouldn't be long gold here. Gold had a double red short here. The 5 correlating with the 30 and the 60 on gold. The 30 is negative. The 60 is negative here. And then the 5s. This was the bear flag right here. I don't know if we're short. Too late for that. Will my SPY 670 puts print end of July? 670? That I don't know. Look, I think we're gonna 670. What's that? 300. Well, at least I think. I don't think they're gonna break 7,000 fast. So if they get to 7,000, that'll be a gift. 670 would mean they would have to print 6750. I don't know about that one. That's a big one. SOVs? SOVs aren't trading now. Silver's trading. I just think this 30-minute time frame is going to turn up. I just think this 30-minute time frame on silver is going to turn up here. I think it could run at least 40, 50 cents on the silver 30-minute time frame. That's why I said not to short the S&Ps and the NASDAQ. Right? Look at the 30-minute time frames turning down. No, she got stopped out. I said I would probably look to go back in 42 to 92 range. That's why I said I wouldn't look to short the NASDAQ and S&Ps. I just told you the 30-minute time frames are turning up. Joe, you got to get some Xanax or something.
Yeah, do you mind if we stop by the CVS on the way out?
No, but see the 30-minute time frames, positive MACD. This is what I think silver is going to do. This is a monster bull flag here on the 30-minute time frame. The silver is down a straight dollar in 4 bars in 2 hours. And gold, you think, see, I'm saying gold just rallied 3. Kelly, if you get a chance, can you text me 914-500-7484? SPY 670? SPY 670, look at these S&Ps. NASDAQ just ran, so, all right. So, right now the spiders would mean 670, that's 400, that's 400 points on the NASDAQ, 450 points. So that's 6750. I don't see that. I don't really see that. 670 puts. I don't see it. Oh my God, if that happens, I would be short everything on oil. Oil just dropped 30. There goes the gold. Gold just rallied here. S&Ps, we had the 12.5, got down to 13. NASDAQ did touch below 55 though. Just very quiet. Just freaking silver. I'm not saying tonight, 6750. I'm not saying that. I think you get a pullback to 7,000. That could be 7,020. Come on, silver. Go. Go right back up. Oil just dropped. There goes the gold right back up. Come on, silver. Come on, get above. Kelly, did you rebuy the silver? Hopefully we get a push up. Oil just got kabooshed. Oil hit that 97.30, not once, but twice, but 3 times on oil. One bad trade here on silver. Hopefully the second trade here. I need this push up on this 30-minute. This 30-minute time frame, I think, is going to really push up. Just like it pushed up the NASDAQ 30, I think this silver can get up another 30, 40 cents.
Wait, it's involved or something. Or gold.
Oh, there goes the gold. Jesus, gold just dropped too. Come on, silver. I told you the 30-minute time frames are going to turn up here, so I hope nobody was short the S&Ps or the NASDAQ. It is Chopville. Oh, man. All right, 6 minutes, we're going to do the raffle. Oh, come on, give me this. Come on, silver. Jesus, they killed the game in silver. Look at this. Come on, you got to rally. Just give me this 30-minute time frame. Look at this, 30. Oh my God. I would be scaling into longs here between like the 33 and, like I said, 92, the 32, 42 to 92 range. I think this silver should get another push up here. $46.90 never hit $46.90. Maybe earlier it did. That gold was a good short up there to get out. Kelly, if you text me 914-500-7484, Kelly, when you get a chance, please. Kelly. And again, if anybody has anything they want to talk about, if gold takes out 46.72 short the world, I don't know. I think gold's already negative. If gold takes out 46.95, the 15 would reverse sell, then you short the first bounce. Should I sell silver? You're long SLV? No, I think I would keep it. I think SLVs can rally anywhere between 30 to 50 cents here. That's what I think. Yes, there's giveaways in 2 minutes. This silver, they ruined the game in silver in the night stream. They ruined it. Oil has more action than silver now. Oil's not dead. Oil had 3 nice shorts. It's not what it used to be, I'll tell you that. That's 100%. Come on, rally up. At least rally up to the, up here. 28. 40 cents is nothing on that. Oh, there goes the S&Ps and NASDAQ, kabooshed. Oil just ripped. S&Ps just dropped 3.5. Freaking no rhyme or reason on the NASDAQ. It's dropped 30 cents like nothing. Something just came out. Oil just ripped. Silver's dead. S&P and NASDAQ, something just came out. Oil just ripped. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. It's giveaway time. Jennifer, you ready? Denny, you guys ready? Oh my God, 40 cents on the NASDAQ. Something just came out. Wow. Something just came out. All right, you guys ready? Are you guys ready? 396. 396. Denny, ready? Right back up.
I'm ready.
396.
$3.96 is one sport. Is one sport here?
What, something's wrong with your phone, your mic.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, a little bit better.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Is that better?
a little bit, not much.
Is that a lot better?
No.
I don't know what's going on with it.
All right, 396.
One sport are you here?
Yeah, we can't hear you. It's muffled.
Yeah, I'm trying to fix it right now.
Hello. Is that better,
I can barely hear you.
Steven?
It might be better, but I can barely hear you.
Is that better?
Denny, can you hear us?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
All right,
What'd you say?
396.
396 is not here, Steven.
Not here. Okay, 17. 17.
Nope. El Burrito.
El Burrito? That person here?
Yep, El Burrito. I don't know. Now you're cutting in and out, Steven.
I'm not moving. Is Aaron can fix this maybe? Aaron, can you fix this?
El Burrito's here.
All right,
He
congratulations.
can't fix mine. He can only fix yours.
100. 100.
El Burrito's here.
100.
100 is Neolaki.
Oh, congratulations, Neil Lockie. Look at this gold. What a short. Just dropped 10.
He's usually always here.
Neil Lockie. That's 2. Neil Lockie's here.
Is there-
247. 247.
All right.
247.
Mindful to markets.
Mindful to markets. Mindful to markets. Look at this gold. Kabooshed. Mindful. Is that anybody here? Number? No? No?
I don't see him.
Next, 112. 112. Yeah, guys, I don't look at the numbers. I'm just reading numbers myself.
ICT NGL. ICT NGO. He's here. I see him already.
Okay, that's 3. Let's go 75. 75. Wow, what a freaking market drop.
Lucio Cardos.
Somebody said Mindful Markets was here. I don't know if that's true or not. You saw him?
Mindful Markets is here as well.
How many is that? 5 then or 4?
Mindful was here before time was up. All right, I give it to him.
That's 5.
I don't know because I haven't seen Lucio Cardos yet.
That's 4. Lucio's here. Jennifer's saying.
Lucio's here. All right, Lucio's here then.
Okay.
Next,
Let's go 199.
JT or JTAR Makeoff. JTAR Makeoff.
Guys, don't push your numbers. I'm not
He's
reading
here.
your numbers. I'm telling to tell you.
JTAR's here.
Okay. Number 10. Number 10. Hey. Hey. Number 10.
Mala Keyshawn.
Malik Ishan. I'm not doing this. Silver is completely just finished.
Mala Keyshawn's here.
Okay, how many is that, Jennifer? 7. Let's do 299. 299.
Dave G3443.
Wow,
Dave G.
Yeah, he's here all the time. 299. Gold's finished. Silver. This is 2 bad trades in silver in a row.
Dave G is here.
I still think it's going to bounce, but not. It's finished. Oh, S&P's, NASDAQ. Oh, please. Rally so I can short them tomorrow. 217. 217.
217 is Goot Futures. Goot Futures.
How many is that? 9 or 8?
If he's here, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 4. It'll be 9 if he's here. He's here.
Jeez, look at this silver. Unbelievable. Okay, 50. Look at this gold. They're killing everything.
Good. That means we can catch a
I apologize about this
rally
silver
tomorrow.
tonight. Too bad.
Chicken Trader. Chicken Trader.
That's 10?
If he's here, yeah. And for the rest of the week, we're going to be doing the wheel.
Okay.
Tonight, I just didn't have anything set up for it.
No problem. With the number? Or just the names?
No, just the names.
Okay. Chicken Trader's here. All right.
Chicken Trader's here? All right,
Yep.
That's it.
Wow, what a caboose on the NASDAQ. Jesus, 65 on the NASDAQ. S&P's down 9. Silver, gold. What a drop. Something must have come out because oil just rallied big time here. All right, everybody. Let's see here. Where's my thing here? Let's move this over here. All right, everybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Sorry about the silver. Jesus. I haven't seen this move in silver in a while like that. That 30-minute time frame. Don't get it. But Kelly, I apologize. Kelly, if anybody give me a call, 914-500-7484. Look at this NASDAQ drop. Oh, my God. 60 on the NASDAQ. I'm telling you, they're going to get crushed. I wouldn't be surprised if the NASDAQ drops 1,000 points, literally, by the end of May. All right. With that being said, thank you very much, Denny. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, all of you. Wow. Silver got absolutely slaughtered. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark.